With the botulinum toxin market expected to reach $21.1 billion by 2030, our programs offer the latest advancements in neurotoxin treatments. For over 26 years, Empire Medical Training has been the industry leader, offering the most comprehensive, evidence-based, AMA-accredited Botox training. Our course is meticulously designed for licensed healthcare professionals, including physicians, nurses, and dentists, providing the latest and most relevant information for performing aesthetic Botox injections. With Empire, you'll receive unparalleled hands-on experience on live volunteers. You'll also learn about various neurotoxins such as Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, Jeuveau, Myoblock, and Nuceiva. Our diverse team of expert physicians will meticulously monitor your technique, providing invaluable feedback to help you master these injections confidently and effectively. Our course covers fundamental pharmacology and the underlying mechanisms of botulinum toxins, comprehensive facial anatomy, including muscles, innervation, and vascular supply relevant to injections, best practices for handling complications, conducting comprehensive patient consultations, and more. Why wait to learn a new procedure? Earn Botox certification today and join over 175,000 graduates who have successfully completed our program. Call us today at 844-565-3131 or visit empiremedicaltraining.com for more information.